Sup everyone, Sunkeys here. Today we'll be taking a look at the Lucky65 by Velocifire. Unboxing is pretty straightforward. Manual, accessories, and the board itself. Lucky65 offering a 65% layout and an engraved clover behind the case with an additional bronze accent plate to spice things up a little. It is tri-mode, gasket mount, and supports 5-pin hot swap. The board I have here is the violet variant with up to 7 color variations to pick. They all appear to be barebone, leaving the option to customize the board yourself. And if you notice, you can choose to have anodized or electrophoresis for the finishing. According to them, I was told the electrophoresis turns out to be smoother than the anodized version, in case you're wondering. Starting from an affordable price tag of $79 regardless of the colorway or finishing, seems to be a board worth looking into. By the design itself, there's actually not a lot of curves or any fancy machining around, but other than that, the rest seems to be clean. Although it is barebone, the board does come with preloop plate mount stabilizers that solves part of the equation. Any good? More on that later. On the PCB, there's a toggle on the tab key which can be used to turn on the Bluetooth as well. Moving on to the disassembly, it's straightforward. Start off by removing the screws at the back. And we will check out the bottom casing first. We have the dampening pad, insulation pad, and there's also this battery cover to make things cleaner. On the other side, we have 3 foams between the PCB and plate, with the Poron gaskets attached to the PC plate. Speaking of the PC plate, as you see, there are plenty of flex cards, making the typing experience extremely soft. For this build, I will go with the Cedo Min switches simply because I had really good impressions on them. And for keycaps, let's try out the Wandering Earth by Keytuck themselves. Well, as expected, you get the generic foamy rich sound. The stabilizers, if you notice, are obviously not good at all. All of them have tick noises. If you have the extra budget, please get the better one. And that's all for the acoustics. To customize the lighting and keys, Velocifire does provide a proprietary software to do that. Just to be clear, it is only on Windows for now. So what can I say? 65% at this price point is pretty solid, and I genuinely have nothing bad to say about this board other than the stabilizers. 65% is not for everyone, that I must admit, but if you count my previous video on the Infi75, which is manufactured by, again, Velocifire themselves, you'll definitely know each board they brought up is really up to standard. So there's nothing much to lose on this either. If you are looking for a 65% with an alu case, this is definitely a board that I recommend. That's pretty much it for now. I hope you loved the video. Be sure to like and sub, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!